Welcome to Love Your Coaching. I'm Charlie, and welcome to this playlist. This is a playlist for people in education in particular. Other people can use this playlist, of course, but the idea here is to put in some recordings that are specifically for people who work in schools and colleges. There's two focuses for this playlist. One is to help those of you who serve as reviewers or appraisers or in that performance management role, whichever the language that you're using in your school. As you'll know, uh, I think lots of schools are trying to move away from a top-down tick box model of performance management towards more of an inclusive, collaborative coaching style of approach for review conversations. And there's a lot of renaming of and rebranding of the whole operation. We work in lots of schools training people to be coaching in their style when they have these review conversations. And in this playlist are some videos to demonstrate all of those different conversations, whether it is a reflective beginning of the cycle conversation, the target setting, mid-year review, end of year target review, all of those you'll find some videos. We also are looking at other areas where people can use coaching skills around and about supporting colleagues in schools. So in particular, lesson feedback, observing a lesson, and rather than giving the traditional clipboard feedback, my opinion, what I thought you did well or not so well, we are doing it in a coaching style. And doing it in a coaching style, whether or not you actually saw the lesson in question. So there's a couple of demo videos of doing that. I've put in for the moment a head teacher coaching video as well to see what it's like coaching a head teacher. We work with lots of head teachers who coach their fellow heads, so seeing one of those live can be quite useful. And we will increasingly add videos in here that are going to support people in their educational work using coaching in that context. So please go and watch each video as and when it's useful for you. Certainly for the annual review performance management, there's a flow to them, there's a cycle. The others you can watch whenever it becomes important for you. Hope that all is going well for you in school. I hope you get some good opportunities, perhaps to be coached as well as to coach. Have a good day. Happy coaching.